Welcome to Caramel Classroom, where imagination comes to life. Today we discover the extraordinary power of friendship with Fairy and the Rainbow Butterfly. Once upon a time in a colourful kingdom, there was a village where every house had a big, beautiful garden. In this village lived a tiny fairy named Pip. Pip was smaller than a teacup, with sparkling blue wings and a cheerful smile. Her special job was to take care of all the flowers in the village, helping them bloom brightly. One morning, Pip woke up to a strange sight. All the flowers had lost their colours overnight. The roses were not red, the violets were not blue, and even the sunflowers had turned grey. The village looked very sad without its vibrant colours. Pip knew she had to do something to bring back the colours. She flew from garden to garden, trying to paint the flowers with her tiny fairy brush, but it was too slow. She needed help. So, Pip went to the Queen of Fairies, who lived in a majestic castle made of clouds. The Queen listened to Pip's story and smiled gently. "My dear Pip, the answer lies with the rainbow butterfly. Find her, and she will help you bring back the colours," said the Queen. Pip thanked the Queen and flew off to find the rainbow butterfly. She searched high and low, over sparkling rivers and through dense, whispery forests. Finally, she found the rainbow butterfly resting on a crystal leaf near the magic mountain. "Rainbow butterfly, please help us. Our flowers have lost their colours," Pip explained. The rainbow butterfly fluttered her beautiful wings and followed Pip back to the village. With a magical flutter and a swirl of bright colours, she flew over each garden. Wherever she flew, her magical dust touched the flowers, and their colours came back even brighter than before. The villagers were overjoyed to see their gardens vibrant again and threw a big party to thank Pip and the rainbow butterfly. There was dancing, singing, and lots of delicious treats. From that day on, Pip and the rainbow butterfly became best friends. They worked together, making sure that the village flowers always had the brightest and most beautiful colours. And the village, filled with colours and laughter, was the happiest place in the kingdom. And so, Pip the fairy learned that with a little help from friends, no problem is too big to solve. The children in the village loved to tell and retell the story of Pip and the rainbow butterfly, dreaming of magical adventures and colourful gardens. And they all lived happily ever after. If you enjoyed our tale, show us some love by hitting like, and don't forget to subscribe for more sweet adventures.